Welcome to today's video, where we're going to talk about 10 everyday drinks that may help support healthy blood sugar levels naturally. If you're looking for simple ways to keep your blood sugar more stable, this is a great place to start. Because it's not just about what we eat, what we drink matters too. Alright, let's get into it. Starting at number 10, we have a simple but powerful choice: green tea. Green tea has been studied for its potential benefits in blood sugar control, mainly because of a compound called EGCG. This antioxidant may help improve insulin sensitivity and support how your body processes glucose. Some studies have shown that people who regularly drink green tea tend to have better blood sugar regulation and a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Another advantage? It's naturally low in calories and contains no sugar, making it a great alternative to sweetened drinks. Plus, green tea may also support metabolism and heart health, which are both important when managing blood sugar. For best results, try drinking it plain, without added sugar. Coming in at number 9, we have something warm, comforting, and surprisingly powerful: cinnamon tea. Cinnamon has been widely studied for its effects on blood sugar. It may help slow down the breakdown of carbohydrates in the digestive system, which can reduce blood sugar spikes after meals. Some research also suggests that cinnamon can improve insulin sensitivity, helping your body use sugar more effectively. Drinking cinnamon tea is one simple way to include it in your daily routine. Just steep a cinnamon stick in hot water for a few minutes, and you've got a naturally sweet, sugar-free drink. It's also a great option if you're trying to cut back on sugary beverages. At number 8, we have something simple, but incredibly powerful: water. It might not seem exciting, but when it comes to supporting healthy blood sugar levels, water is one of the best choices you can make every day. Now, drinking water won't instantly lower your blood sugar, but it plays a very important role behind the scenes. Staying well hydrated helps your body function properly, and that includes how it manages blood sugar. When blood sugar levels get too high, your body tries to remove the excess through urine, and when that happens, you lose fluids. This can lead to dehydration, which actually makes it harder for your body to keep blood sugar levels stable. So even mild dehydration can push your blood sugar higher. That's why water becomes your quiet ally. It helps your body stay balanced and supports better glucose control. There's also some research that supports this. A study published in Diabetologia looked at women with gestational diabetes. Those who increased their water intake over several weeks showed better blood sugar control, including lower fasting levels and improved HbA1c. Other studies have found similar results. People who drank water before meals tended to have better blood sugar responses, and there's an added benefit. Drinking water before meals may also help with portion control and weight management, which is another key factor in managing blood sugar. Now, how much water do you actually need? A general guideline is about 6 to 8 cups a day, but this can vary depending on your body, activity level, and environment. The key is to stay consistent and listen to your body. If plain water feels a bit boring, here's a simple upgrade: lemon water. Adding fresh lemon doesn't just improve the taste, it may also offer extra benefits for blood sugar control. Some research suggests that lemon can slow down digestion slightly. This means sugar enters your bloodstream more gradually, helping reduce sudden spikes after meals. Lemon is also rich in vitamin C, which supports overall health and may play a role in blood sugar regulation. Plus, it may help improve how your body responds to insulin and support heart health. So if you're looking for a simple, refreshing option, lemon water is a great choice. Water may be basic, but when it comes to blood sugar control, it's one of the smartest habits you can build. Now let's move on to the next drink on the list. Alright, moving on to number 7, a tropical favorite that's not only refreshing, but also known for its potential health benefits. We're talking about coconut water. Now, coconut water isn't just a trendy drink. There's actually some research behind it. A study published in the Journal of Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine found that individuals with type 2 diabetes who consumed coconut water for several weeks showed improvements in fasting blood sugar and HbA1c levels. That's a promising sign, and here's an interesting fact. During World War II, coconut water was sometimes used in emergency situations as a substitute for IV fluids on tropical islands. That just shows how naturally balanced it is. Coconut water is rich in electrolytes like potassium and minerals like manganese. These nutrients play a role in maintaining fluid balance, supporting muscle function, and helping the body work more efficiently overall. Even though it has a naturally sweet taste, coconut water is relatively low in sugar compared to many other beverages. This makes it a better option than sugary drinks when you're trying to manage blood sugar levels. Some studies, including animal research, have also suggested that coconut water may help support blood sugar control and reduce oxidative stress, both of which are important in managing diabetes. However, not all coconut water is the same. Some packaged versions contain added sugars, so it's important to check the label and choose unsweetened options whenever possible. And while it can be a healthy addition, moderation still matters. Keeping your portions reasonable can help you enjoy the benefits without overdoing it. As always, if you're managing a medical condition or taking medication, it's best to check with your healthcare provider before making it a regular part of your routine. Rolling into number 6, we have a vibrant and powerful option: pomegranate juice. If you're trying to manage your blood sugar and still want something flavorful, this might be one worth paying attention to. Now, many people enjoy fruit juices like orange juice, but when it comes to being more supportive of blood sugar, pomegranate juice may have an edge, and that comes down to its unique compounds. Pomegranate juice is rich in antioxidants, especially polyphenols, which have been studied for their potential to support blood sugar control and heart health. Some research suggests these compounds may help improve how the body responds to insulin and support healthier blood vessels. Looking at the science, a study published in Nutrition Research found that individuals with type 2 diabetes who consumed pomegranate juice showed improvements in fasting blood sugar and insulin resistance. Another study in the Journal of Medicinal Food also reported a reduction in fasting blood sugar levels after regular consumption over several weeks. So what makes pomegranate stand out? It contains powerful antioxidants like tannins and anthocyanins, which may help reduce oxidative stress, a key factor in diabetes and heart disease. That means it's not just about blood sugar, it's also about overall protection. But there's one important thing to keep in mind. Pomegranate juice still contains natural sugars and calories, so while it can be beneficial, it's best enjoyed in moderation. A helpful tip is to pair it with protein or healthy fats. This can slow down sugar absorption and help keep your blood sugar more stable. Pomegranate juice can be a smart addition, but like everything else, balance is key. Now, let's move on to the next drink on our list. At number 5, we have something a little unexpected: red wine. Now, before you get too excited, let's take a closer look at what this really means. Red wine isn't just known for its rich flavor. It also contains natural compounds like polyphenols and resveratrol. These compounds have been studied for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, and some research suggests they may help support blood sugar control. For example, a study published in the Annals of Internal Medicine found that individuals with type 2 diabetes who followed a Mediterranean-style diet and included moderate amounts of red wine showed improvements in glucose metabolism. Another study in the Journal of Diabetes Research reported that participants who consumed red wine over several weeks experienced improvements in fasting blood sugar, insulin sensitivity, and oxidative stress. So there is some potential benefit. But here's where balance becomes very important. Alcohol can affect blood sugar in different ways, and drinking too much can actually make blood sugar harder to control. It can also lead to other health concerns if not managed properly. That's why moderation is key. For those who choose to drink, this usually means no more than 1 small glass per day, and not everyone should be drinking alcohol at all. The effects can vary depending on your body, medications, and overall health. So it's always best to speak with a healthcare professional before including red wine as part of your routine. Red wine may have some benefits, but it's definitely not essential. Now, let's move on to the next drink on our list. At number 4, we have a familiar favorite: the aromatic pick-me-up, coffee. For many people, coffee is part of the daily routine, but beyond the energy boost, it also contains active compounds that may support blood sugar control. Coffee is rich in substances like caffeine and chlorogenic acids. These compounds have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, and some research suggests they may help improve insulin sensitivity, meaning your body can use sugar more effectively. Looking at the science, a large review published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that moderate coffee intake, around 3 to 4 cups a day, was associated with a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. This suggests that regular coffee consumption may be linked to better glucose control over time. Another study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that individuals with type 2 diabetes who consumed coffee rich in chlorogenic acids showed improvements in fasting blood sugar and insulin sensitivity. So there may be some real benefits here. But there's an important catch. What you add to your coffee matters. Sugar, flavored syrups, and heavy creamers can quickly turn a healthy drink into something that spikes blood sugar. So keeping it simple is key. Black coffee is one of the best options, and if you prefer a bit of flavor, you can add a small amount of unsweetened almond milk or a natural sweetener like stevia. Also, pay attention to how your body responds. Some people are more sensitive to caffeine, which can affect blood sugar differently. If that's the case, decaf may be a better choice. Coffee can be a helpful addition, but like everything else, it's about balance and how you prepare it. Rolling into number 3, we're stepping into the colorful world of beetroot juice. This vibrant drink may not be everyone's first choice, but it comes with some interesting benefits when it comes to blood sugar support. Beetroot is naturally rich in nitrates, which the body converts into something called nitric oxide. Now, nitric oxide plays an important role in improving blood flow and may also help enhance insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to manage blood sugar. Looking at the research, one study found that individuals with type 2 diabetes who consumed beetroot juice for several days experienced a reduction in their fasting blood sugar levels. Another study showed that a diet rich in nitrates, including beetroot juice, was linked to improved insulin sensitivity in healthy adults. So there's definitely some potential here. Beetroot juice is also packed with nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds like polyphenols. These compounds are known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, which may help support overall blood sugar balance. Some research suggests that these compounds may slow down how carbohydrates are absorbed and help the body use glucose more effectively. And let's not forget betalains, the pigments that give beets their deep red color. These have strong antioxidant properties and may help protect cells from oxidative stress, which is often linked to diabetes and other chronic conditions. But as promising as it sounds, moderation is still important. There isn't a clear guideline yet on how much beetroot juice is ideal, so it's best to include it as part of a balanced diet rather than relying on it alone. Beetroot juice can be a powerful addition, but balance is always key. Now, let's move on to the next drink on our list. Coming in at number 2, we have a popular favorite in the health world, apple cider vinegar, or ACV. This simple ingredient has been talked about for years, especially when it comes to supporting blood sugar control. So what makes it interesting? Research suggests that ACV may help lower blood sugar levels after meals and improve insulin sensitivity, both important when managing blood sugar. One reason for this could be how ACV affects digestion. It may slow down how quickly food leaves the stomach and how carbohydrates are absorbed. This leads to a slower, more steady rise in blood sugar instead of a sharp spike. Looking at the science, one study found that people who took about 30 milliliters of ACV with a carbohydrate-rich meal had better blood sugar responses afterward. Another study showed similar results with a smaller amount, around 15 milliliters taken before a high-carb meal helped improve blood sugar control in individuals with type 2 diabetes. So there's definitely some potential here. But before adding ACV to your routine, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, ACV is highly acidic. Drinking it straight can be harsh on your teeth and throat, so it's best to dilute it in water. Using a straw and rinsing your mouth afterward can also help protect your teeth. Also, if you're on medication, especially for diabetes, it's important to check with your healthcare provider first, as ACV may affect how your medication works. Now let's move on to the final drink on our list. Topping our list at number 1, we have a unique and increasingly popular drink, Kombucha. Kombucha is a fermented beverage made from sweet tea that's transformed by beneficial bacteria and yeast. During the fermentation process, much of the sugar is broken down, resulting in a tangy, slightly fizzy drink that's typically lower in sugar and calories than many other beverages. What makes kombucha interesting for blood sugar support? For one, it's often made from green or black tea, which contain natural compounds like EGCG, known for their antioxidant properties and potential benefits for blood sugar control. There's also some early research suggesting that kombucha may help support healthy blood sugar levels. One study found that individuals with type 2 diabetes who consumed kombucha regularly over several weeks experienced a reduction in fasting blood sugar levels. Another reason kombucha stands out is its probiotic content. These beneficial bacteria may help support gut health, and a healthier gut has been linked to better metabolism and improved blood sugar regulation. Kombucha may also have anti-inflammatory effects, which is important because chronic inflammation can interfere with insulin function and make blood sugar harder to control. However, not all kombucha is created equal. Some store-bought versions can contain added sugars, which can cancel out the benefits. So it's important to check the label and choose options that are low in sugar. And as always, moderation matters. And there you have it, the 10 everyday drinks that may help support healthy blood sugar levels naturally. Now we'd love to hear from you. Do you have a favorite from this list? Or is there a drink that's worked well for you that we didn't mention? Share it in the comments. Your experience could help others too. While some of these drinks have more research behind them than others, they can all play a role as part of a balanced and healthy lifestyle. But it's important to remember, these are not a replacement for proper medical care. Managing blood sugar still comes down to the bigger picture: your diet, lifestyle, and any treatment plan recommended by your healthcare provider. Everyone's body responds differently, so paying attention to how these drinks affect you is key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming videos. We're here to share simple, research-based tips to help support your health. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.